eSource B2B provides direct integration into Microsoft Dynamics GP, allowing your dealers and distributors to seamlessly check out, repeat order, self-service, track their own orders, and pay their invoices online dynamically. eSource B2B puts all this and more at your customers' fingertips. With eSource B2B, you'll enjoy direct integration to the Microsoft Dynamics GP sales order processing and inventory screens, an easy-to-use shopping cart environment, simple streamlined checkout processes, order tracking, account payment and sales history information, robust product search and browsing, and a customizable, easy-to-implement solution that can fit your business needs. A business-to-business environment begins by providing a customer a login and a password. Logging into that secure environment, they're prompted with their own customized greeting page. Once they're in their environment, we turn on the safe self-service capabilities that allow them to view their document history, order history, and invoice history, drilling in, taking a look at their own accounts information to see what their outstanding invoices might be. We'll begin by taking a look at the ability to actually browse on a business-to-business environment. We can always move with a traditional hierarchy, taking a look at products that we're interested in purchasing, finding that product information that might be relevant, whether it is through a browse or a particular search, pulling back the appropriate results, allowing me to add multiple items from the shopping cart from one screen with a simple add all to cart, also allowing me to add items to a favorite catalog that can be recalled at a later date, saving me time in the future from having to continue to browse, simply adding those items to my favorite catalog, going to my favorite catalog to see what is in it. Quick search capabilities are also a useful tool within the AZOX e-commerce solution that allow me to quickly query and find the relevant products that I'd like to purchase, drilling into that product to find the additional information that might be available. The direct integration to the Microsoft Dynamics GP database allow a solution such as this to be maintained easily through the maintenance of a Dynamics GP database. As we take a look at Dynamics GP in the typical item maintenance card, we see where the fields that AZOX are actually reading from to run your web environment. The description field, I will make a generic change here, and I will also make a generic change within the Dynamics GP pricing structure. We're compatible with both standard, extended, Horizon, and Omni pricing structure within the AZOX e-commerce solution. And you can see how simple it is to come in and make these changes daily. Once these changes have been made within the database, we simply head back out to the web environment, we take a quick refresh of the page, and we see those changes that have been made out here. Additional supporting information can also be pulled from Dynamics, whether it's multiple images, product information, or descriptions, or other attributes associated with that item can be pulled through with the AZOX solution. Express checkout is available on AZOX B2B environment, allowing us to simply key in a part number, a quantity, validating that we have the correct part number and quantity we'd like to purchase. There's also the ability to upload items quickly and easily right from your desktop. Dealers and distributors can throw inventory into an Excel file, upload it from their desktop, and it will key all the information in for them dynamically, so they simply validate and add all the items to the shopping cart with a few simple clicks. Flexibility can be obtained in this environment as well, allowing dealers and distributors to order by their own part numbers, in which case we can utilize the customer item in GP. Simply selecting ordering by your own customer part number allows me to key in my customer item number as I know it is a dealer, and quantity, validated and adding all those items to the shopping cart that way as well. Dealers and distributors can manage their own profile online, changing their email, updating their password, or billing information potentially, all reading and writing right back to the Dynamics GP tables. Managing users that are associated with the web environment as well online takes maintenance off you back office, allows your dealers and distributors again to add additional logins to their internal users. We can always come online to dynamically find out where our orders are at. Any document type available in the Dynamics GP database, we have the ability to pull out and show real time. So if dealers or distributors know of a particular order they're looking for, they simply look it up by whatever information they might recall or have available to them, finding that particular document, getting a copy of that document dynamically by clicking on it, taking a look at the tracking information that's pulled from the Dynamics GP database again, showing me if it's been shipped, processed, or potentially put on credit hold because we're over our payment terms. The ability to quickly reorder is a common feature used on the business-to-business type environment, allowing me to quickly take the items from a particular order, adding them all back to the shopping cart so I can update quantities, add or remove items, and check out again. Getting copies of information such as my invoices that are outstanding are quick and easy to view and actually print on the AZOX E-Commerce solution. Simply clicking on an invoice, selecting an invoice that we might want to potentially pay online, selecting a dollar amount that we want to pay off associated with that invoice, proceeding through to apply a credit card payment to those invoices, which will streamline your back office processes in GP as well. We can always drill in to take a look at our account and what's going on with our account by viewing an account summary, a yearly summary, or printing statements, drilling in and taking a look at our current 30, 60, 90, year in life, or last invoice payment and statement. Again, all of those fields can again be searched or queried. Again, any supporting document information within Dynamics GP can be visible and shown out here, though it can be restricted. This concludes the overview of the AZOX B2B environment. For any additional information, please feel free to contact us at sales@azox.com.